XTM has a wide range of LED lights to suit your vehicle, from spotlights, light bars, work lights and wiring harnesses to suit your applications. Now, we've got a 75 series Land Cruiser and today we're going to show you how to install a set of spotlights. These are the Helios, and also a 31-inch slimline light bar. Now, to put these in, we've also got an XTM wiring harness, a plug and play. So it's going to make our job super easy. Well, let's get to it.
After getting the spotlights out of the box, it's time to start assembly by adding the brackets to the spotlights. There are 2 bolts either side which keeps them secure and allows adjustment. They come with everything you need, including the Allen key. Once the spotlights are built, you can then add them to your vehicle. In this case, we only have 1 bolt per side. However, the spotlights come with additional bolts depending on your mounting options. Before we start the wiring, let's install a 31-inch light bar to the roof. They come in a range of sizes and have a durable aluminium alloy housing. They are also water and dust proof, so perfect for the harsh Australian climate. The brackets attach to the side of the light bar and even have a rubber pad to absorb any vibrations. You then add it to the vehicle and adjust the bar depending on where you want the light to shine. We're using the XTM plug and play wiring harness, which is very easy to install. Don't be off put by the amount of wires. There's simple instructions for anyone to follow along and install at home. After plugging in the LED lights, it was time to test our work. And just like that, the lights are working. What a difference they have made. XTM has a wide range of LED lights to suit your vehicle and needs. So head online or in store today.